the beginning of a new year, and while some of us can laugh and smile and be happy, a lot of persons are now devastated. Now, a devastating wildfire in Los Angeles have ravaged the Pacific Palisades neighborhood, leading to destruction of numerous celebrity homes. Notable figures such as Paris Hilton, Milo Ventimiglia, Billy Crystal, Mel Gibson, and Miles Teller have lost their residence. The fires have consumed over 21,000 acres, prompting evacuations of at least 130,000 residents. Many celebrities have expressed their grief and shared personal stories on their social media, highlighting the emotional toll of losing their homes and cherished memories. The blaze has destroyed over 5,000 homes and businesses. The fire covers about 14,100 acres with 15% containment. Now, for the evacuations, tens of thousands of residents are under evacuation orders. Now, you can just imagine the significant structural damage has been reported with assessments ongoing. This standpoint, it is reported that at least 11 persons met their demise. When it comes to the economy, of course, there's going to be a huge impact. Now, it is estimated that the potential economic losses up to $150 billion. In a time like this, persons who have their loved ones risking their life to put this blaze out, we are talking about the firefighters. Now, over 1,400 firefighters have been deployed with additional support from neighboring states. This is the moment families are praying very hard for the firefighters who risk their life to put this blaze out.
In here, in the front of my house, I have been here for over 40 some years. But thank God I'm here. I will reveal better than ever. And I thank the Lord to be here, to be able to reveal.
Yes.
God is good
Yes, He is.
all the time.
All the time.
All the time.
All the time.